Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into the Financial Investor channel. My name is Brent, and today we're going to go ahead and learn how to reinvest our dividends without hitting that $10 threshold. Now, the last time I did this, I had gone through and sold a portion of my equity in order to reinvest my dividends. In today's video, we're going to go into the M1 Finance platform and just set a buy order of the amount of cash that I have sitting in the account. And if it goes through, then it will work for you. So if you are brand new to the channel, have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. I cover the stock market, dividends, real estate, personal finance. If you have any questions, comments, you would like to leave some information, drop it into that comment section. I do read and reply to all your comments. And of course, if you do like this video, I would highly appreciate if you hit the thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to go ahead and flip my screen around here, and we're going to be inside the M1 Finance platform. M1 Finance is currently running a referral program here in July. So if you guys are interested in checking out M1 Finance, definitely check it out. There will be a link down in the comment section below. It's a great platform. You get free buys and sells, partial shares, retirement accounts. You can schedule deposits to hit your M1 Finance portfolio, your account, when you want it, Monday through Friday, or every week, or every month, or just whatever works for you. And you can set it up to have auto investing features so that every time you add $10 or more into the account as far as equity, it'll automatically reinvest into your portfolio based off your target percentages you have preset. So that is M1 Finance there in a nutshell. So here up at the top, we have $2.61 sitting in cash. Now this is from dividends. I recently received a dividend. It doesn't show up in my activity tab at all. I know M1 Finance, we can see here cash 261, but there's really no way of knowing what paid that out without going into the holding company. But here, if I select here on trading, it will not show me where this cash came from. I just have $2.61 sitting in there. I would normally be able to come down here and take a look and say, okay, dividends that were paid out, $2.67 from VU, but this was back on April 3rd, 2019. We're now 3 months from then, and that is why we are getting this here in July, because VU recently paid out $2.61. But we're going to go ahead and reinvest this dividend. So what we want to go ahead and do is here on the main screen is select buy. Now we're going to go ahead and do that. Orders must be more than $10. Let's see what happens if I make a $10 buy order. It allows me to do that. I go ahead and confirm. And now during the next trade window, M1 Finance should automatically invest my $2.61 back into the account. I don't have to sell a portion of VU in order to hit that $10 threshold. Here I set a buy order for $10, but I don't have $10 in the account. So it should take my $2.61 of cash and automatically reinvest that back into ticker symbol VU. Now that of course tracks the S&P 500. I'm going to go ahead and wait until Friday, because currently it is currently July 3rd, 2019. The markets close. July 4th is tomorrow. Happy Independence Day for all of you. And the markets are currently closed here on the 4th. So I will be doing an updated video going over if this trade had gone through, and then we'll kind of include this here towards the end. So I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead to the next day, and we'll continue it there. Okay, we have jumped ahead in time, and up at the top, we now have a cash balance of $0. Now, what we did was earlier, the day prior, we had set up our buy order of $10. Now, we only had $2 and some change sitting in the account. M1 Finance, if we take a look at our activity tab now, it reinvested those dividends of $2.61 back into ticker symbol VU, which tracks the S&P 500. So here I can go ahead and select the activity, and I can go ahead and show that dividends that were paid out were $2.61, and we had a buy order of $2.61. So by doing this process, I was able to reinvest those dividends 100% free. I did not need the $10 sitting in the account in order to hit that threshold. And M1 Finance performed that on on the following day once the markets were back opened after the 4th of July. So that is pretty much what took place. Again, what you need to do is you have cash sitting in the account and you want to have it invested into a exchange traded fund or into a single stock or pie. What you would want to do again is select your specific pie, target it by hitting buy sell. In here you would specifically target at least a minimum of $10, hit continue and confirm. What this will do is every time you have any sort of cash sitting in the balance there, M1 Finance will take whatever cash is there and it'll roll it into whatever stocks or exchange traded funds that you have specifically targeted those funds to hit. Here you can see I have a pending buy of $10. Now I don't have any cash sitting in the account, but the next time that I have a referral, a link is in the comment section below. If you guys haven't checked out M1 Finance, they are currently running a $20 referral here in July. So if you were to select that, sign up for the M1 Finance platform, you and I would both get $20. The cash here, I have a pending buy of $10. M1 Finance would automatically trigger that $10 into VOO. So that is it I wanted to cover for today's video. I hope this was really beneficial for you. You can see here that we've jumped up a few days here. It's July 8th now. This is the performance. We had a slightly positive day here on Tuesday going into the Fed on Wednesday, but we're exactly right where we were at 22.55 up, but now we've actually been paid and earned that full $9.33 within this portfolio. So that is it for today's video. If you guys have enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. I would appreciate those thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button below. I cover the stock market, dividends, real estate, personal finance. And of course, if you have any questions about the stock market, dividends, real estate, M1 Finance, or other broker that you see here covered on the channel, let me know in the comment section below. I do read and reply to all your comments. And thank you all for tuning in. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.